Stop, drop those fad diets and put away those weight loss pills. It's time to discover the real secret to shedding those extra pounds and unleashing your inner fitness warrior. Welcome to our video, where we are about to unleash a powerhouse of 5 blasting exercises that will torch calories, sculpt your body, and help you achieve the weight loss results you've always dreamed of. Say goodbye to endless hours on the treadmill and hello to a dynamic workout routine that will transform your body from head to toe. Are you ready to sweat, feel the burn, and watch those pounds melt away? Let's jump right into these explosive exercises that will supercharge your weight loss journey like never before. Exercise number 1. High-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training is a fantastic exercise for burning calories and boosting your metabolism. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. Start with a warm-up, then alternate between high-intensity exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, or mountain climbers, and active recovery exercises like jogging in place or walking. Repeat this cycle for 20 minutes to maximize fat burning. Exercise number 2. Strength training. Strength training is crucial for weight loss as it helps build lean muscle mass, which in turn increases your metabolic rate. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and dumbbell or resistance band exercises into your routine. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise, gradually increasing the weight as you get stronger. Exercise number 3. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercises such as running, cycling, swimming, or dancing are great for burning calories and improving heart health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to high-intensity cardio exercises 3 to 5 times a week. If you are a beginner, start with shorter durations and gradually increase your time and intensity. Exercise number 4. Core strengthening. Strengthening your core muscles not only helps with weight loss but also improves posture and stability. Include exercises like planks, Russian twists, bicycle crunches, and leg raises to target your abs, obliques, and lower back. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for each exercise, focusing on maintaining proper form and engaging your core muscles throughout. Exercise number 5. Flexibility and mind-body exercises. Don't forget to incorporate flexibility and mind-body exercises into your routine for overall well-being. Yoga, pilates, or stretching exercises can help improve flexibility, reduces stress, and promote relaxation. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes to these exercises, allowing yourself to unwind and rejuvenate after your workout. Exercise number 6. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a fantastic cardio exercise that engages your entire body and helps burn calories. It improves coordination, agility, and endurance. Grab a jump rope and start with a warm-up. Jump at a moderate pace, gradually increasing your speed and intensity. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of continuous jumping rope or break it into intervals of 1 to 2 minutes with short rest periods in between. Exercise number 7. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that works your entire body and provides an excellent cardiovascular workout. It helps tone muscles, improves lung capacity, and burns a significant number of calories. Whether it's freestyle, breaststroke, or butterfly, aim for 30 to 45 minutes of swimming at a moderate intensity. If you are new to swimming, start with shorter durations and gradually increase your time in the water. Exercise number 8. Cycling. Cycling is not only a great outdoor activity but also an effective exercise for weight loss. Whether you prefer biking on a stationary bike or cycling outdoors, it helps build leg strength and endurance while burning calories. Start with a warm-up, then ride at a moderate to high intensity for 30 to 40 minutes. Vary your speed and resistance throughout your workout to challenge yourself. Exercise number 9. Step aerobics. Step aerobics is a fun and challenging exercise that targets your legs, glutes, and cardiovascular system. Utilizing a step platform, Perform a series of choreographed movements, stepping up and down while incorporating arm movements. You can join a step aerobics class or follow online tutorials. Aim for 30 to 40 minutes of continuous step aerobics, gradually increasing the complexity of the moves as you become more comfortable. Exercise number 10. Battle ropes. Battle ropes are an excellent full body workout that engages your muscles and elevates your heart rate. This exercise involves holding onto thick, heavy ropes and creating waves, slams, or spirals with your arms. It helps improve strength, endurance, and coordination. Start with a warm up, then perform various battle rope exercises for 20 to 30 seconds each, with 10 to 15 seconds of rest in between. Repeat for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and choose exercises that you enjoy. Mix and match these exercises to keep your workouts interesting and challenging. And as always, consult with a fitness professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions.